Hi guys, Sagar here. Hope you understood the previous one. Today we have the ninth question of exercise 11.4. If secant theta plus tan theta equal to p, then what is the value of secant theta minus theta? So let's consider the given thing. We have secant theta plus tan theta which is equal to p. They give. So before that, let's consider since we have secant theta and tan theta, we know that secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1, and we can write a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Similarly, if we are given a square minus, I can write it as a plus b into a minus b. So secant square theta minus tan square theta can be written as secant theta plus tan theta, this is plus, into secant theta minus tan theta, which is equal to 1. And we know that secant theta plus tan theta equal to p, that is given in the question. So p into secant theta minus tan theta is equal to 1. And if I bring the p to the right hand side of the equation, then I would get the answer. That is secant theta minus tan theta is equal to 1 by p. That is the value they told us to find. If secant theta plus tan theta equal to p, then the value of secant theta minus tan theta is equal to 1 by p. We used the property of secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1 when we divided it into a plus b into a minus b, and after substitutions and simplifications, we got the answer as 1 by p. That's it. Hope you understood the question. Subscribe for more such solutions. Thank you.